Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Voveran TPM Gel. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Ltd. Voveran TPM Gel. Uses. Voveran TPM Gel is mainly used for pain relief in conditions that affect the joints and muscles. Benefits. Voveran TPM Gel belongs to a group of medicines called nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs. It provides quick relief from pain, inflammation, and swelling caused by conditions like arthritis, sprains, or muscle strain. It works by blocking chemical messengers in the brain that make us feel pain, helping you move more comfortably and stay active. Always use it as prescribed and for the shortest possible duration to get the best results. Side effects. While Voveran TPM Gel is generally safe when used correctly, some people may experience side effects such as mild irritation or redness at the application site. Rarely, it can cause symptoms like headache, dizziness, nausea, constipation, abdominal pain, or rash. If you notice any persistent reaction, stop using the gel and consult your doctor. How to use. This medicine is for external use only. Always follow your doctor's instructions. Clean and dry the affected area before applying. Gently apply a thin layer of the gel and massage lightly. Wash your hands afterward unless your hands are the treated area. How it works. Voveran TPM Gel works by blocking the release of certain chemical messengers in the body that cause pain and inflammation. This reduces swelling, redness, and discomfort, allowing better mobility and quicker recovery.